Hey guys and welcome, here's a new Unity video about the Invector basic Locomotion light asset, a free third-person controller system. You can get it here from the asset store, the link is added to the description, and the author also offers pro versions of this asset that you can check out as well. I import the asset into an empty Unity 2018 project and it comes with a very nice demo scene that I open and start now. In this scene you can walk around with the third-person character and he's able to jump, run, walk, and you have this great third-person camera that you know from games like GTA or stuff like that. So that looks great, but what I wanted to demonstrate is how to use this asset for my low poly character that I created with Blender. So let's go ahead and drag the FBX with the low poly character into my project. I assign the low poly material that are already added. I don't import animations because I'm going to use the ones from the Locomotion asset. And the animation type I set to humanoid. Okay, then I deactivate the existing third-person character. And this is how the low poly character will look like in the scene. This character I will use for the third-person controller, but before I do this I copy the animator controller of the Locomotion asset to the assets folder where my character is. Okay, and now it's time to open the character creator window, to which we can add the character and the animator controller and press create. And after that we have a complete third-person controller setup for our low poly character, with the camera controller, locomotion and animations. Okay guys, that's it. In my opinion, a very professional and useful asset, and I highly recommend it. If you like this short Unity asset review, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified when the next one is uploaded. Thanks for watching guys, thanks for supporting me on my Patreon, and I'll see you on JNM.